Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Fisha Eliya and this is my individual assignment for hobby-based website. And now let's take a look at the back end of the website. To do that, just hover over your website project and click on the select site button right here to open the site manager. So this is my dashboard for my website. Before editing the site, you must complete a certain step which I have done before this and then click on the edit site. Once the editor open, you will see this left sidebar. This is your main toolbar to customize everything on your site. Now let's click on the first icon which is Add Elements. Right below it, you can use Add Section to create a new layout for your page. Next is Site Page and Menu. This is where you can add new page or rename your existing ones. And finally, if you want to add image or videos, just go to the Media section right here. Moving on to the main site, over here at the top, you can see the logo and the navigation menu. If you want to edit the background, simply click on Quick Edit right here. The setting panel will open to the right side and you can just edit whatever you want from there. Next, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, this is where I introduce myself and my hobbies. Now let's move on to the next page. As it loads, we can see this page is actually a continuation of my hobbies that I mentioned earlier. Over here, I talk more about my personal journey and how I got started with all of this. Next, let's take a look at the inspiration page. On this page, I have included image of the chef who inspired me along with links to their social media accounts so you can check them out. After that, we have the creation page. This is where I display all the photos of the food and bakes that I have made myself. For the recipes, I create them using a blog format. If you want to change anything here, you need to click on Manage Posts. Inside the dashboard, this is where we can create a new post for a new recipe or edit our existing ones. Plus, we can also view and reply to the comments left by our readers right here. For the Baker's Notes page, I have added a buy button here so visitors can directly purchase the items. As for the contact page, the editing process is pretty much the same as the others. Now that we are all done, let's click on preview at the top right to see how our website looks live. And there you go, this is how the final website looks to our visitors. Once we are in a preview mode, we can finally see all the animations that we have added in action. Everything looks so smooth and is working perfectly. But to make it look even more amazing, you can go ahead and click Publish to launch your live site. Once it's published, you will get a link that you can use to view your live website much more clearly, and you can share it with everyone. Alright, now let's take a look at the front end of the website. And as you can see, this is exactly what our visitors will see when they click the link. Once you click and go to the next page, you can see all the image and videos that I have added here. It all looks very neat and clean on the live site. Now moving on to the next page, I will also provide social media buttons for you to explore even further. As you explore the site, you will notice that I have added a lot of animations to make the website feel more alive and dynamic. It really brings the whole page together and makes the user experience much more fun. Next, let's head over to the recipe section, which I have styled like a blog. If you click into any recipe, you can easily save the image and the instruction just by clicking the print button. On top of that, feel free to leave a like and drop some interesting comments right below to the post. Next, we have the Baker's Notes page. This is where you can gain a lot of useful baking knowledge and tips. And if you can see something you like, you can actually buy the items directly on this page just by clicking the buy button. And last but not least, we have the contact page. If you want to know more, you can follow me by using the social media buttons provided here. Alternatively, if you have any question, you can ask me directly through the website just by filling in the required information in this form. As an additional feature, here is a quick look at the mobile view of the website. Everything is fully responsive, so you can easily browse the page, read the recipe, and even buy items right from your phone. That's all from me. Thank you.